lot of you guys have probably seen these viral memes.
Trallallero, trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Trallallero, trallallà, trallallero, trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah. Trallallero,
If I told you that they are directly mocking Islam and Allah, let me explain. Well, you might be thinking, what did this have to do with Islam? Well, if you translated the lyrics from the audio into English, the lyrics are absolutely disgusting.
Trallallero, trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Porco Dio e porco Allah is literally translated to pig God and pig Allah, or damn God and damn Allah. But wait, there is more. Take a look at this one.
bombardiro crocodilo.
If you did the same thing for this one, it would translate to a flying alligator that flies and bombs children in Gaza and Palestine, doesn't believe in Allah, and loves bombs. Now, this wasn't a one-time occurrence. There are many other versions of these videos that mock Islam in various ways. These videos are getting millions of views, and unfortunately, many Muslims are liking, reposting, and sharing them without realizing that they were spreading mockery of Allah and unknowingly mocking themselves. Some Muslims had even made Islamic versions of it, like, bruh, mocking Allah or his religion is disbelief. Allah makes it clear in Surah Tawbah by saying, if you question them, they will certainly say, we were only talking idly and joking around. Say, was it Allah, his revelations, and his messenger that you ridiculed? Now Allah doesn't hold us accountable for something that we did not know. But now that you know, you know.